everyone, it's Sanvi. I love drawing and painting very much. It is very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I love drawing and painting very much. It is a very easy drawing. My hobby is drawing and painting. Wow, it is very easy. Look at the drawing and it will come perfect shape. Wow, our drawing is completed. It's time for painting. Orange color. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Green color. Pink color. Light pink color. Red color. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Our drawing is completed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.